The Arleigh Burke-class warships are the biggest destroyers currently in service with the U.S. Navy. Also, these are one of the biggest destroyers in the world that incorporate highly advanced weaponry and systems. These guided missile destroyers entered service with the U.S. Navy in 1991, were the first large U.S. Navy vessel designed to incorporate stealth shaping techniques to reduce radar cross-section. Also, these were the first destroyers fitted with Aegis combat system. These destroyers were intended to be a cheaper, less capable vessels than the Ticonderoga-class cruisers. Originally tasked with defending against Soviet aircraft, missiles and submarines, these potent general-purpose destroyers are now used in high-threat areas to conduct anti-air, anti-submarine, anti-surface, and land attack operations. Hull profile of the Arleigh Burke class significantly improves seakeeping, permitting high speeds to be maintained in difficult sea states. The hull form is characterized by considerable flare and a V-shaped appearance at the waterline. Built primarily from steel, the class has aluminum masts to reduce top weight. Kevlar armor is fitted over all vital machinery and operations room spaces. Surprisingly, it was the first U.S. warship class to be fully equipped to operate in NBC environments, with the crew confined to a protected citadel located within the hull and superstructure. The N/Spy-1D phased array radar incorporates significant advances in the detection capabilities of the Aegis weapon system, particularly in its resistance to enemy electronic countermeasures. The Aegis system is designed to counter all current and projected missile threats to the Navy's battle forces. A conventional, mechanically rotating radar sees a target when the radar beam strikes that target once during each 360 degrees rotation of the antenna. A separate tracking radar is then required to engage each target. By contrast, the Aegis system brings these functions together within one system. The four fixed arrays of the Spy-1D send out beams of electromagnetic energy in all directions simultaneously, continuously providing a search and tracking capability for hundreds of targets at the same time. The Spy-1D and the Mark 99 fire control system allow them to guide vertically launched standard missiles to intercept hostile aircraft and missiles at long ranges. Missiles are stored in vertical launch systems, that can also house similar evolved Sea Sparrow, ESSM, missiles, Tomahawk land attack cruise missiles, ASROC and E-submarine missiles. 4-point defense. The ships are equipped with two phalanx close-in weapon systems, CIWS. Also, there are 324 mm launchers for Mk.46 or Mk.50 torpedoes. This class currently consists of 62 destroyers in 3 versions, namely Flight I, Flight II, and Flight II. The latter's Flight II vessels are sometimes referred as the Oscar Austin class. These have a helicopter hangar for 2 helicopters, as well as an enlarged vertical launch system, a new 127 mm dual-purpose gun, and are packed with modern sensors and weaponry. These warships have a full load displacement of 9,648 tons and are significantly larger than original Flight I ships, that were commissioned in the early 1990s. Construction of further improved Flight III variant is planned for 2016.